Hi guys, Dr. Mike Mossop here for CoVet. I wanted to quickly show you how you can personalize template instructions within the CoVet system to get records that come out to your exact specifications. I'm a practicing veterinarian as well. I know people can be picky about their records out there, and this function and feature should really help you out. Right now we're looking at the desktop or web-based version of the app. The functionality is exactly the same in mobile. However, I have to say when you're doing things like personalization instructions and custom templates, it may be better to do it on desktop. There's just a little bit more room to type. Basically, we're on the current case screen now, and you can see I've really done just a mock example for the system. I kind of rattled off a couple minutes of audio that described Fluffy coming in for a few different problems. And then I did already generate a report using the SOAP with default normals template. And that template is available as a standard template. It's in every account on the day that you open the system. And it generally works quite well. It's the one I use most frequently. And when you click in, you can see that captured a bunch of stuff. So really we're talking about shaking head and some vomiting for Fluffy. The vomiting for the last 2 years is something the owner just casually threw out at the end of the exam there. But anyway, like I said, I went through this quickly. I didn't mention things like current medications, lifestyle and risk factors, travel history. I did mention a weight, but I didn't mention a body condition score. And I realize also there's some bullet points here and just, I don't know, I'm not feeling it today. I don't like the bullet points. So if you want certain defaults filled in, or if you prefer different formatting, the way to get that is through personalization. So what we're going to do is we're going to personalize the template and regenerate this record. We'll click over on templates here. And again, we use the SOAP with default normals. And if you click in there, you'll notice this personalization banner. So that's where you want to enter your tweaks and instructions. To save us some time on the video, I've pre-typed this and put it on my copy-paste clipboard. And if you read here, so I've just mentioned when I don't specify lifestyle and risk factors, I want you to enter certain default information. Meets other dogs, goes to dog parks, etc., etc. Similarly, when I don't specify a body condition score, please insert 5 out of 9 for all patients. And then last but not least, don't use any bullet points in the assessment section. And again, you can get creative with the instructions here. You can do whatever you want. These are just a few examples. If you have trouble getting the instructions to work the way you want, please let us know. You can reach out to me personally at mike.dvm@co.vet, and I'd be happy to help you with this. So we've saved those personalization instructions. I'm going to go back to the current case, and I'm going to regenerate that record. So again, it's the exact same audio input, the same template. The only difference is the personalization instructions that we added in. And that will take a couple minutes to generate. Two things I'll point out here while we're waiting. So number one, when you change the personalization instruction, that is going to apply to every single template, or sorry, every single record that you use that template for moving forward. If you wanted to just make a change for this one specific case, you also have the option to use this regenerate and improve button. So let's say I didn't get enough detail on the ear cytology results. I could click regenerate and improve, say give me more details, and it will spit that out. But for now, let's get back to our example, and you'll notice, so here, lifestyle and risk factors, meets other dogs, goes to dog parks, does occasional camping and cottaging in the summer. So that is, again, the new default we've given through our personalization. Similarly, it's brought in the body condition score 5 out of 9. Again, it's assuming that as a default. You could still go in here, and if that's your default, you can always change it. Let's say Fluffy's a little overweight. And then last but not least, the assessment has gone from bullet point format to paragraph format, but still captures the same basic information. So that's really just an example of the power of these personalization instructions. You can really do anything you want, and I'm hoping this helps get records that are perfect for you. And like I said, if you have any questions, comments, please let us know. But thanks very much for using CoVet, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.